I thought this would be instructive to make a recording video of the 25 horse air compressor. I had set it up and I was making a video and I was outside with the camera and we were running the transformer converter into the 30 kVA transformer, stepping the voltage up to 480 and running it out there. These are the low voltage numbers. These are the numbers that were actually, these were the numbers coming out of the transformer converter, going and feeding right into the 30 kVA transformer. So the voltages and the amps you see are going into those three legs of the transformer. And the voltage was well balanced on the other side. It was really very close. There was another video made of that. But this just shows you how we not changed any capacitors or done anything to try and balance it. We started off at 56 amps, and it just, obviously, as pressure builds, it keeps ramping up. And if you notice, it was 74, 75 amps on the one leg, 70, and then lower amps. What happens in these cases are the two legs are going to be fairly high and one leg is going to be low. That's the same as you get as a rotary converter or lightly loaded motor. As it builds, the thing slowly creeps up and it becomes pretty much balanced. As you can see here, the maximum amps on this whole thing was cold and it was running through the transformer and it wasn't totally adjusted absolutely flawlessly. But as you can see, it's getting up 87. I think it maxes out at 90 amps. The voltage is all a little bit low, 227, 225, 226. But look, you got 68, 73, and 71. That's what it ends up at 125 pounds per square inch. I'm putting this in for the people reading the book because what we're doing is we're actually in this subject talking about balancing and what it takes to balance and how the balance changes with the load. So here's a compressor that went from 0 to 125, which is, the 125 is in the middle of its operating range. There was no adjustments made, the balance was fine, and it's going to spend most of its life in the operating range, not down in the low numbers where it's unbalanced.